Step through the front gates, and you're immediately immersed in calm elegance. Tall hedges line the driveway, hiding the rest of the world. Plush cream sofas are paired with sculptural coffee tables and minimal accents, nothing too flashy, but everything carefully curated. The palette is white, beige, dusty rose, the colors of serenity. It's soft, soothing, and unmistakably feminine. Center stage hangs a statement, chandelier, work of art itself, but even that doesn't steal attention. It supports the calm. Palm trees sway as you approach a modern masterpiece, walls of glass, clean angles, and a sense of effortless style. There's a built-in espresso station and an abundance of space for morning smoothies or evening gatherings. A subtle pantry reveals itself behind sliding panels, modern magic. Each piece is displayed like art. Velvet ottomans, the center. It's larger than most apartments, a fashion lover's fantasy. Soft grays and white marble define the space. Simple greenery brings freshness. This isn't a bathroom, it's a retreat. There's a plush lounge area nearby for cool-down chats and smoothie breaks. Drawers are labeled, compartments are velvet-lined, and even the handbags seem to hover on display shelves. This isn't just a home, it's Kylie's sanctuary. Behind, a feature wall of vertical greenery brings life to the space. Tall windows open directly to an outdoor lounge, indoor-outdoor living perfected. Inside, sunlight floods the open-concept living area. Every material is chosen with intention. Every room flows naturally, and every space has soul. It feels curated, calm, and intimate, a true reflection of her aesthetic. Remote blinds shade the glass walls at sunset. Sonos fills every room with music. Cameras and sensors ensure peace of mind even while Kylie is away. A sunken seating area sits just off the water, with fire features, lounge chairs, and cabanas. Lush hedges and palm trees frame the space, offering total seclusion. There's a built-in grill, outdoor bar, dining table, and plenty of room for sun-soaked gatherings or quiet evenings under the stars. Every corridor feels intentional, clean, like you're walking through a private gallery. A seating area with velvet chairs and a coffee table sits near the window, perfect for morning coffee or private conversations. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors open to a balcony with sweeping views and quiet moments. There's a home office, soft lighting, luxe furniture, built-in shelving. Lots of natural light through large windows. It's Instagram-ready, yet functional. The kitchen is a chef's dream and an entertainer's dream. Duh. A large marble island sits beneath sculpted lighting. Sleek, handle-free cabinetry conceals high-end appliances. Step into the dining area, and you're met with a long table that seats 10, surrounded by upholstered chairs in muted tones. Hallways lead to personal spaces. The color theme continues: pastel carpets, glossy accents, and carefully placed artwork. The star of the home is the primary suite. A plush king bed sits centered against a custom upholstered headboard with matching nightstands flanking either side. The closet is a dream. Just walk into a space with marble floors, soft lighting, mirrored walls, and rows of couture dresses and shoes. The bathroom is chic. Dual vanities with LED-lit mirrors, a soaking tub positioned beneath a skylight. A walk-in rainfall shower, heated floors, and towel warmers. The home gym is sleek and minimal, Pilates reformer. Yoga mats, free weights, bench, bar, and a wall of built-in cardio machines. There's also a personal screening room, dark, cushioned chairs, a massive screen, plush carpet, soundproofed walls. It's privacy and entertainment combined. Outdoors, the infinity pool stretches along the edge of a terrace. It's jaw-dropping. Additional spaces include guest suite each with its own ensuite bathroom, neutral and private patio access, a yoga pavilion hidden in the gardens, and a playhouse or studio near the pool. Dedicated spaces for creativity, relaxation, or family time. The house has smart home integration everywhere. Lighting, climate, music, security, all controlled by voice or phone. Every inch of the home feels personal. It's luxurious without being ostentatious. It's Instagram-ready yet designed for living. This ISNTA mansion built just to impress it as a carefully constructed haven that balances style, comfort, and function. That's the essence of Kylie Jenner's luxury home, a modern retreat tailored to a powerful, creative woman who lives life on camera but seeks peace behind closed doors.